Welcome back to the farm, guys. I am going to be doing unedited videos every day this week. I have been 2 weeks behind, so this is going to be raw. Might be some cussing, but going to take you through, with me, I guess, pretty much through chores and everything. So this is what I'm dealing with. We got Jolene and Gracie in there, Patch out here, and yeah, so take you along with me. Alright, so the big guy is beyond ready for his food. So I'm gonna get some. Ready. Alright, so Patch gets a cup. I'm in the wrong one. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. To run down the hill here to where his food is, mainly because this is not done yet. Hopefully I can work on it this week since Denny's too busy to try to get it done. Alright, so this is the trick, trying to get my hand in here. I knew I was gonna have problems here. So yeah, that's kind of how it goes with him. Run back up here and let the girls out. Sit everything up high so they don't get it. It's kind of hard to do holding this. Okay, then I have to take this door off. Let's see if I can set it up here before he starts running. Alright, and of course they've pooped and everything. Watch out, Gracie. Let's go. Come on. Gracie, come on. Alright, hurry up and lock the door. Okay, and then Gracie's gonna jump on me for food. These two eat the most out of the whole herd. They overindulge themselves to move their bowl away from everything. Because Patch has already gorged himself, so he's back up here wanting to get through the fence. As you can see what he's done to this fence here. And I've actually had to add on to the fence right there because girls have been in heat, he's been in rut, and he can smell them. And he's been really messing up the fence. Oops. What does this button do? And I have this problem that Mama fights daughter for food, so she wants my whole bucket. No, Gracie. Alright. Anna's turn. So there's no... Get, Gracie, get it. Of course. Gracie! Stop! Shut the door. Gracie. No! Lord. Get out of my bucket. Alright. Now I have to go in here. Billie Jean. And root beer. Go. Go back. Go back. Oh, now he's between my legs. Ah! So, yeah, I just missed that, where they knocked the phone out of my hand. Yeah. I don't know if this is all going to work with many, many clips, but we'll see what happens. Because the phone won't let me turn it around. And the camera isn't charged. Eat that hay, boy. There's Patch is not eating his hay. I think they're really bad about when they're in heat or in rut. they don't eat that much at all. So as you can see, they're standing here waiting, literally waiting for me to open these doors so they can get the final crumbs from Billie Jean and Anna. Here's what I meant about stealing the crumbs. Every little crumb. Man, Megan and Robert. They have been, can't see them now, they're up on the hill. But they've been chasing each other and fighting for 2 days. There they come. There he goes. There's Brenda. You're gonna sit in the sun. Flare it out, girl. Robert's not coming back. You can come back over here? No, he's not back in there. Okay, so Root Beer is overdue for his dewormer and for his CD&T, which is his tetanus. So I need to make that up. Bubba's gonna hold it for me. Oh man, I got this turned sideways now. How am I gonna get to it? No, that fell over. So this is my emergency kit. I just turned it sideways yesterday because we got in. Mr. Corral brought me 9 bales, so I had cleaned a lot of spot out just for all of these bales, and now I can't even get to anything that I want to. Hey! You're too bucky. You're too bucky. See, I'm a big boy. I just want to play. I wish I could have not been sick when he needed to be dehorned, but hopefully he doesn't become too reckless with his horns. Alright, so filled up mineral feeders here. Got Patch's mineral too. They always need some loose minerals, and it always seems to get tons of water in it. So I need to come up with a better idea. Put it somewhere where they can't get wet, but this is the best place where they can actually share it. Hang it on a tree, hang it on a fence. So Billie Jean's still wanting to be bred, but definitely not going to happen until next month. Definitely going to wait. Anna is the queen. So now it's time to clean out this nasty goat house, even though we have more rain coming tonight. But, ouch! Stop it! Look at this. So hopefully get something done. Gotta get all these girls out of here. But this is what we're dealing with, just wet mud, mud runoff from being on a hill, technically on a hill. So, as you can tell, it just keeps on gradually going further down. But it's not horrible all the time. It's just probably gonna be like this for a while, especially running into winter. We'll see what happens. So what do you think? You need to take a nap? Do you need to lay down? Do you need to lay down? Are you feeling old? You're only 4. She's not even leaning on me. She's just standing straight up here. What is this? You have an injury from button heads? That's new. You can see that she's got a bump on her nose. This is so funny. Lucky Ned's Entertainment his television is watching the goats. Watching them goats? Entertaining, huh? Yeah, I'm shaking my head too about Patch. Yeah. Craziness.